microplastic? The shocking truth about microplastics. Join me, guys, and Ethel here. Let's go, guys, and let's all find out the shocking truth about microplastics. Let's go. Imagine eating a credit card's worth of plastic every single week. Sounds unbelievable, right? But that's exactly what's happening to millions of people around the world. In this video, we'll reveal the hidden dangers of microplastics and what you can do to protect yourself. Do you know we're eating, drinking, and even breathing plastic every single day? Microplastics are silently invading our bodies, and science is finally recovering what that means for our health. Don't skip this eye-opening video. What is microplastic? Microplastics are tiny plastic particles that are less than 5 millimeters in size, about the size of a sesame seed or smaller. They're everywhere, in the air, oceans, soil, food, and even drinking water.
Types of microplastics.
Number one, primary microplastics. These are tiny by design. They're used in products like facial scrubs or plastic microbeads, toothpaste, industrial abrasives, synthetic clothes like polyester that shed plastic fibers in the wash. Number two, secondary microplastics. These come from the breakdown of larger plastic items like 1. Bottles, 2. Bags, 3. Fishing nets, 4. Food containers, 5. Sunlight, heat, and ocean waves break this into smaller and smaller pieces over time. Well, get to how microplastics enter your system in just a moment. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health facts. Let's keep going. This gets even more shocking. Where can you find microplastics? Bottled and tap water. 2. Seafood, especially shellfish. Salt, sugar, honey, airborne dust in your home, fruits and vegetables via polluted soil or packaging. Why are microplastics dangerous? Even though they're tiny, microplastics can. Microplastics carry toxic chemicals into your body. That's one. Two, disrupt hormones. They act like endocrine disruptors. Three, trigger inflammation and may damage organs. Four, enter the bloodstream, lungs, or even the brain, according to emerging studies. What to do about microplastics and protect your health. First thing for you to do, the top one, filter your drinking water. Use high quality water filters like activated carbon or reverse osmosis systems to remove microplastics from tap water. 2. Avoid bottled water. It often contains more microplastics than tap. The second thing for you to do, avoid plastic food packaging. Choose glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers. Buy in bulk using reusable bags and avoid single-use plastic wrappers. The third thing for you to do to protect your health, reduce processed and packaged foods. Microplastics can leach from packaging into food, especially in hot or acidic items. Cook fresh, whole foods at home as much as possible. The fourth thing for you to do to avoid microplastic and to protect your health as well, limit synthetic clothes. Example given are polyester, nylon, and acrylic. These fabrics shed microfibers when washed. Switch to natural fibers like cotton, bamboo, hemp, or wool. Use a microplastic catching laundry bag or filter like Guppy Friend or Coral Ball. The fifth thing for you to do to avoid microplastics and to protect your health as well, avoid personal care products with microbeads. Check ingredient labels for polyethylene or PE, polypropylene or PP or acrylates, common in exfoliants, scrubs, and toothpaste. Choose microbead free and eco certified products. The sixth thing for you to do to avoid microplastics and to protect your health, clean your indoor air, dust and vacuum regularly. Microplastics also float in indoor air. Use HEPA air purifiers and wet mopping to reduce airborne particles. The seventh thing for you to do to avoid microplastics and to protect your health as well, support legislation and plastic-free movements. Support bans or microbeads and single-use plastics. Advocate for corporate and government action on plastic pollution. The eighth thing for you to do to avoid microplastics and to protect your health as well. Eat lower on the food chain. Fish and shellfish often contain microplastics. Limit intake or choose low contamination sources. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Bonus tip: detox your body naturally. While there is no official detox for microplastics, supporting your liver and kidney health helps stay hydrated. Eat fiber-rich foods, fruits, veggies, whole grains. Include antioxidants like turmeric, moringa, and green tea. Microplastics may be tiny, but their effects are massive. Now that you know, it's time to make smarter choices for a cleaner, healthier future. Like, share, and comment your thoughts. And hit the bell so you never miss a tip that could save your health. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.